How's it going? So I'm going to go ahead and remove this half twist throttle. I already loosened it up. It's just the plug right here. Loosen up the little Allen key at the bottom and slide the grip off. Okay, so now what I need to do is take this thing apart to see which wiring is for the throttle. Because if you see here, it's not your standard 3-pin. And I tried just plugging the 3-pin that I had laying around, and unfortunately it's not wired that way, so the throttle did not work. There we go. There we go. Where is... Okay. There we go. Okay, so it is using the green, red, and black. Okay. Now, find out the connectors here, which pins are associated with those. All right. So here's the thumb throttle I'm going to be replacing it with. What I'm thinking about doing is chopping this off and then having this sit right inside there, because this will pretty much cover that whole area. That way I'll still have the horn. Let's see if I can get this thing out. Unfortunately, I just found out that I was not recording. So let me go ahead and take this apart one more time and show you how I did it. Okay. So I shrink wrapped the 3 throttle wires. So it was on mine, green went to blue, red to red, black to black. On here, I have it all shrink wrapped, and then I have it going through right here. The original throttle was. I had to take off the little tab right here, the little retainer tab. Then it just goes back together here. You see, like that. So it's still going through the original factory harness. That way I should still have the horn. And this should just wrap around like that. I have to keep them spaced a little bit out apart because of the way this throttle is. But that should at least allow me to still have the horn and the thumb throttle versus the half twist. Let me go throw it on the bike and see what it looks like. Make sure it works. Okay, let me put the new throttle on. So I'm gonna have to move down shifter and the brake lever a little bit, and then I'm gonna have to get new grips. So let me move all this stuff down a little bit further and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I got it all tightened up. So I literally had to push everything to the very end of the bar. That's what it... And it still rubs just a little bit. And then I went ahead and stole the grip off my ZX. And I'll show you what it looked like, the grips on it. So, still about, what, 1 finger, 2 fingers. That's what it looks like. Alright, plugged it in. It's this one right here. Still gotta get some zip ties, zip tie it back up. But let's see if it works. Turn on the battery. Okay. Take a look. Horn works. Throttle works. Then if you can see, that brake is pushed back pretty far. I'm almost wondering if I should bring the brake up and put the brake in between these two. But let me go ahead and go on a ride and test this out. Okay, so we are going on the first ride testing out the thumb throttle. All right, so that's it. Everything's working. And then, so it just fit with the other grip. So now I just need to go out and get a pair of grips for this bike. That's what it looks like. See it from the sides. All right, that's all I got for you for this one.